Now in 9F, we have this expression and it's a little bit intimidating because we don't know what to do. We have multiple things that we can do, but we're not sure which one to do first. Well, we have this 3x plus 4 to the power of 2 and x minus 2 to the power of 2. Let's first rewrite that into something we can recognize it with. 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 4, because remember it's an exponent to the power of 2, that's why we have two of them. And same thing for this, it's to the power of 2, so we have two of them. X minus 2 bracket x minus 2. Okay, so we know how to expand this, and we know how to expand this as well. So why don't we do this first and this second, and then deal with the 2 minus 3 after. So 2 bracket, when we expand this, we have to make sure this 3x hits both these terms. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared, 3 times 3 is 9, and then x is to the power of 2. And then 3x times 4 is 12x. And then 4 times 3x is 12x. And then 4 times 4 is plus 16. Okay, so now let's do this part right here. So minus 3, ignore it. And now here expand, make sure this x hits both these terms. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. And make sure this minus 2 hits both these terms as well. So minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 2, there's two negatives making it a positive, and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so now we successfully expanded this here, expanded this here. Okay, so now let's expand the 2 inside the bracket. Well, actually, let's first collect like terms here, and collect like terms here, and then expand the 2 and the minus 3. So 2 bracket 9x squared, 12x plus 12x is 24x, and plus 16. And then the minus 3 bracket x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so let's expand the 2 now. That equals to 18x squared plus 48x plus 32. Then let's expand the 3. So minus 3x squared minus 3 times minus 4x equals to 12x, because there's two negatives. Then minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Okay, so now let's collect like terms. Okay, so we have 18x squared here and then 3x here, but there's a negative in front of it. So 18x squared minus 3x squared equals to 15x squared. 48x, 12x, and when we add them, what do we get? We get 60x. And there's a 32 and then a minus 12. So what's 32 minus 12? That equals to 20. So that's 20. So 15x squared plus 60x plus 20 is our final answer.